For starters, we have the ability to edit text. I'm going to rename this shake to Best Shake, and you'll be able to see it change right away. Now let's say you're going through a rebrand, and in the past you would have to spend a ton of money on different menus if you're changing your colors or adding new products. But let's say that I want to change the white as our shake name color. I can click on all and change the color to green all at the same time. So you can do a quick rebrand. You can also change the size of your text. So click on all again. Change all of them. I'm going to keep it back at extra large. One of our other features that we have is the ability to add or delete. So let's say key lime pie is really not doing it for people. They're not ordering it, and you don't want to keep ordering supplies for it. So I'm just going to drag and drop and throw it in our trash. And that creates some space down here, so you could, replace it with another item block. I'm going to delete that though, and I'm going to just extend this photo because I want it to be a little bigger and showcase these drinks. Another feature that we have is the badge. So double chocolate right now is labeled as new. Let's say that it was such a big hit, you advertised it really well, and now you're actually out of stock. So I'm going to go in here to badge, and instead of new, I'm going to change it to out of stock so that we can update our customers and even our employees. So I'll change that quick, and it's updated. Now for one of our bigger features that we have is the ability to have a rotating image. And so right now we have 2 images right here that are rotating every 7 seconds. And you can have up to 6 images. You can edit the duration of the change. So I'm going to go with 4 seconds. And it'll automatically update.